Here's how to check if your TV supports Chromecast or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings option of your television. Once you're already on the settings option of your television, go ahead and navigate yourself to the device and preferences option. Once you see the device and preferences option, what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will see there are different options under the device preferences. Now go ahead and click on the Chromecast built-in option. Once you press the Chromecast built-in option and you see that you can actually Chromecast your television, it means that your television supports Chromecast. You can let others control their cast media, or you can just go ahead and remote control notification. You can always set the notification settings on always, while casting, or never. And that is how you see if your television allows Chromecasting or not.